Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us see a term called Thomas Register or ThomasNet. The Thomas Register of American manufacturers. Now ThomasNet is an online platform for supplier discovery and product sourcing in US and Canada. It was once known as the Big Green Books and Thomas Registry and was a multi-volume directory of industrial product information covering distributors, manufacturers and service companies within thousands of industrial categories that is now published on ThomasNet. The books were first published in 1898 by Harvey Mark Thomas as Hardware and Kindred Trades. In their heyday, Thomas Register of American Manufacturer was a 34-volume, 3-section buying guide offering sourcing information on industrial products and services along with comprehensive specification and detailed product information from thousands of manufacturers. The Thomas Regional Directory Company began as a division of Thomas Publishing in 1976. Thomas Regional Industrial Buying Guides provided information in print and on CD-ROM on local OEMs, distributors, MRO services and other custom manufacturing services in 19 regional edition covering much of US. Thomas Register and Thomas Regional were available online from mid-1990s. The company stopped publishing its print products in 2006. Thomas moved its database online as ThomasNet, published and maintained by Thomas Industrial Network, one of Thomas' 5 business units. ThomasNet has expanded to provide not only product and company information but also online catalog, computer-aided design drawing, news, press releases and blogs. In December 2021, Thomas was acquired by Xometry. Thomas Publishing Company LLC of New York City has been privately held since its inception. It used independent representative to sell advertising space around its listing in print products like Thomas Register and the Thomas Industrial Regional Directories, and these representatives continue to sell internet-related product to manufacturers, distributors and other companies. Now ThomasNet is an information and technology company based in New York City. In April 2006, the New York Public Library named ThomasNet.com as one of its 25 best reference sources for reference librarian and is currently listed in their best of the web list for industry information. Since November 2010, ThomasNet has been a founding partner of GlobalTrade.net, a marketplace for international trade service provider. Thanks for watching. Bye.